Introduction to Adobe CC Libraries in Photoshop, working between Adobe desktop apps on your design projects. Welcome to my video on the topic Introduction to Adobe's CC Libraries in Photoshop. My name is Jennifer Harder. I am a book and video author for Apress and an instructor at a local college in Vancouver, BC. In this video, I will start with a slideshow of some basic terms explaining what is the Creative Cloud Libraries panel and its purpose for when you work on your computer by yourself or with others online. Then we will look at the Adobe desktop apps that have the Libraries panel and access to the assets. Then I'll briefly demonstrate how each app can or cannot import and export assets with the CC Libraries panel into another Adobe desktop app. The options of what assets each Adobe app and the Creative Cloud Desktop Console can access will be evident when each app is open. In each segment, I will go into more detail as I work on part of a project in that specific app. In this video, we will focus on working with the desktop app Photoshop. To learn more about Adobe CC Libraries in Illustrator and InDesign, you can check out my other video on that topic. I will demonstrate projects which involve a poster or a background page or a newsletter page with text. Projects will include the use of assets of colors, color themes, gradients, brushes, text, character styles, paragraph styles, layer styles, and graphics, smart object and layers from my own computer, and later in another video, those accessed via Adobe Stock.